Hey guys, in this video we're going to do a physical comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, without looking at the specification detail, we're just going to do a visual inspection. And with this one here, they both look pretty much identical. I can't tell the difference between the two. I can't tell which one is the S23 Ultra and which one is the S22 Ultra. They look very similar. Now if I place them on top of one another, it's almost exactly the same size. You can't tell the difference, although I think the Galaxy S23 Ultra is just slightly taller or higher than the S22, but they're almost the same in terms of the width here. It also looks almost the same. You can't actually tell the differences between the two, although the bottom one, which is the Galaxy S23, seems to be just a tiny bit wider. It could be just my perception. Maybe it is the same size. As I say, this is just a visual inspection. They do look exactly the same. And at the top here, they both have the camera at the center. So there is a camera at the center right here, one small camera. But however, on the top right on the edge, there is a ear speaker. You can see there is an ear speaker right here. It is wider than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra goes from here to here, and the S23 is going from here to over here. So it is definitely wider for the speakers. So I'm just going to zoom in. So here you can see the speaker on the Galaxy S23 at the bottom is wider than the S22. Now if we go to the back, I have these two devices in two different colors. This is a kind of like a purple color, and this is phantom black. So by looking at the color, I know this is the S22 Ultra. If there is no color, if they're both using the same color, then I can't really actually tell the difference. It looks very similar. Perhaps you will be able to tell by looking at the camera lens. Now here both of them have 5 camera lens and a sensor and a flashlight. However, the camera lens on the S23 Ultra is a little bit different. You can see the frame right here have a slightly thicker metallic outer layer. So the outer layer is thicker than the S22 Ultra. So I can tell the difference right there. So by simply looking at the camera, you can actually tell the difference straight away if this is the S23 or 22. Other than that, the designs looks very similar. They are both rounded. Perhaps maybe the S22 is more rounded on the edge. So if you're looking over here at the top view, you can see it is much rounder on the S22 Ultra, whereas the S23 it is a bit more less of a curve ratio right here. So it's kind of like a square, a straight line, and then it curve a little bit near the corner. Whereas this one almost have a complete radius, a round radius on the edge, right there. And the line is also different. Over here you got the microphone, and there is a line right next to the microphone on the S22, which is the purple device. And on the S23 Ultra there is a line, black line, which is far apart away from the microphone. So that is another thing that tells you which one is the S23 versus the S22 Ultra. Okay, on the side here they both have a volume up and volume down key. So you got both the volume up and volume down key and the side button. They are very similar in the similar position right near the top of the device. And we're going all the way down. So you can see on the S22 there is no line at the top. Here you have one single black line. On the S22 there is no black line. At the bottom here they both have a black line running near the end of the bottom on the side of the phone. Now going down to the bottom, you got the SIM tray right here on the right hand side, right next to the black line. and they both have a microphone and a USB-C port right here. Over here on the S23, there seems to be another microphone right here. There is another one, and then you got the speaker. There isn't a microphone on the S22 Ultra. And on the left hand side, they both have this S Pen. So, two S Pen looks very similar. The S Pen on the S22 and the S23 look quite similar as well. So you can see here, it looks identical. Maybe it is the exact same pen. So I'm just going to place it right back in. So here I'm just going to push in, and on the S23 I'm going to push it right in as well. And the back, so the back at the bottom, they both have the Samsung logo and the ME number down here right at the bottom. And that's it. So that is the physical comparison between the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.